Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Trokiando channel. As you guys can see, I got the OBS right behind me. And in this video, we're going to be changing the whole moldings all over the truck. Si ya lo han visto, the moldings are good, but they're a little faded. So we went ahead and decided to go with a whole new molding setup. Now, to be honest, that was going to be the plan from the very get-go. We wanted to do the whole black moldings and kind of get rid of the little chrome trims that you guys can see. And we also want to add them to the front bumper and the rear bumper because they don't have them on there. But these right here, that's how it came originally, and they're good, but they're a little faded, as you guys can see right there. And we want to go ahead and get them switched out. Now, that was the plan. As you can see, we need them in the back as well. That was the plan from the start. When we made the design for the shirt and a decal on this truck, the moldings were all black. So we finally got a set to do it on this truck, and that's what we're going to be doing on this video right now. We're going to be showing you guys how to replace these, how to take them off, and how to put them on. That way, if you guys want to do it at home, you want to do it yourself, you can do it and you know how to do it. Pero también, I want to show you guys the kit that we got, and I do a special shout out to Pablo from MVP OBS Moldings. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. He reached out and he fully sponsored the whole moldings on this truck, and not just the moldings, he also included the badge, the 1500 badge right there. That one right there, we also got it in the kit. And I'm actually about to open it up right now and show it to you guys to see how it all comes out. Now, the good thing is this kit comes, it looks like it has a QR code where it kind of shows you how to install it, tells you where the panels go and like all that stuff. The other good thing as well is that it's a pre-cut kit. So all the little moldings already, ya vienen cortados. They already come cut to size to fit. Like all you gotta do is just take these off, clean up, put the new ones on, and that's it. You don't have a big roll that you have to extend out, cut it, you know, measure and all that stuff. No, these kits are already pre-cut and ready to go. So if you guys are looking for the OBS moldings for your OBS, he has plenty of colors available, so make sure you check it out on his website or on his Instagram. But he has plenty of kits available. I know he has the 1500 badges as well. We went with the same color, the original color, but I think he has some different colors available as well. I think he has some red ones on there and some other colors. So make sure you hit him up. Tell him you've seen it at Trokiando channel, Trokiando video. Then you want to get a kit as well for your OBS. He'll take care of you. He'll ship it wherever you guys are at. He'll ship it to you, and he'll take care of you guys. Pero like I said, we're gonna be showing you how to take this OBS molding off, cleaning everything up, and putting the new one on there. Now, we're not gonna be doing it here at the shop. We're actually gonna be heading over to Leading Edge Collision. The guys over there are gonna give me a hand to get that installed, just to get it done right. I've never done it before, but that's what we're doing in the video. We want to show you how it can be done so you can do it at home, you know, on your own. Trying to get this thing done right before we do the announcement on the giveaway on this, because we are going to be choosing the winner to take this truck home, and that's the last piece of the puzzle that we need to get this thing done. Let me show you the kit real quick and let me know what you guys think. Here are the badges, OEM color 1500. These are the exact same ones, pero pues a lot newer. Mira. Yes, looks nice. Yeah, so I wanted to go with the OEM color. I think just the original bow tie is gonna tie it in together, because all the original color bow tie is in the front as well. So that will, you know, va a combinar con madre, se va a mirar chingón. So that was the way to go on this one right here. And actually, I haven't even opened up the moldings. They're still in the box. So let's see if we can open these up real quick and check them out. Let me see. Yeah, so here's the QR code. Installation guide. Guía de instalación. That way it kind of tells you how you can put these things on. Mira. Oh yeah. GM restoration parts. OEM style high quality replacement. Repuesto de alta calidad estilo OEM. Guys, these are the ones to get right here. And 13 pieces. It is 13 pieces. Vamos a abrirlo. I'm excited to open this one up. I want to show it to you guys real quick and see how it comes out, guys. Pre-cut, that's what I was looking for. Alright, yeah, pre-cut installation ready moldings. Moldura precortada, lista para instalación. So these things, like I said, these things are pre-cut already. All you gotta do is take off your moldings, clean all that up, and then put the new piece on there. So we're gonna go through the QR codes, we're gonna go through those pieces, figure out which one goes there, slap it on there. Same thing with the cab one there, same thing with the back of the bed and the door. Todo, see, little pieces there. and then the front bumper and all that, guys. So let's open it up real quick. I'm gonna show it to you guys. A ver cómo se mira este kit. Mira, some of the pieces are right here. I'm pretty sure these are all like the cap corners and like the fenders, the little small fenders in the front. Oh yeah, mamalon. This side, double-sided tape ready to go. So these are gonna be easy installation. It should be pretty easy installation. This side up. Number 13. All right, guys. So there is the moldings right there. This is one of them. Mira, mamalon, todo negro. It's got the double-sided tape, and it has a number. Aquí te voy a decir. It says this side up, and it has a number, number 13. So now I already scanned the QR code that's on the side of the box, and the QR code says that this one goes on the rear of the bumper. Mira, back in focus. Number 13 is in the back of the bumper. So ahí te voy a enseñar toda la troca, the whole truck, number by pieces, how these are numbered, and then it's gonna tell you where they go located on the truck. So this one goes in the rear of the bumper, so let's see how that would go or how that would fit real quick. All right, guys, so according to the diagram, it says that this is 13 goes on the driver's side rear bumper. So this one will go something like this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here nomás. Oh yeah. Yeah, perfect size. Mira. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah. So this should be an easy installation. We're gonna be heading over to Leading Edge Collision. They're gonna help us take everything off, remove everything off, clean everything the right way, and slapping these new ones on. So if you guys want to check out the whole process, make sure you check out the whole video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and let us know what you guys think. Again, huge shout out to Pablo from MVP OBS Moldings. If you guys want to get something like this for your OBS, Instagram, I'll put it here again. Make sure you hit him up. Make sure you tell him Trokiando, you've seen it on Trokiando channel, that you want something similar. All black. I know he has black with red. I know he has black with chrome. He has, he has different options. So make sure you check him out. He'll get you taken care of. So let's head over to Leading Edge Collision and get these bad boys put on. Vámonos. What you think, bro?
I think I want it.
Do you want it? Hold up, I gotta unlock it real quick. Hold up. I was just seeing the kit right now. It's all pre-cut, so ready to go.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Makes it easy.
Yeah, it makes it easy. And the badges, it's on the other side. You think it'll be hard to take off these moldings?
We just gotta make sure that paint doesn't come with it, since it's so old.
Yeah. Yes, that's why.
Oh, the only fucking little.
Well, yeah. Yeah. Taking advantage, and we're gonna do an alignment on TKO G6 también de una vez. But look at those moldings. It's looking good. We just need to put the back one on real quick. And I think this side is done. This side is done as well, yeah? Yes, sir. All of them are done. Oh, front bumper también. So we still got front bumper and rear bumper to do. But we're gonna take advantage and do an alignment right here with the guys at Leading Edge. So if you guys wanna do an alignment on the mamalonas, ya saben. This thing is low. He did a little pit on the ground, so you're able to load up very low cars and low trucks without an issue. That's why we're gonna get this one done. But man, it's looking good. It is looking really good. Badges todavía faltan también. We got the badges, the OEM ones, as you guys just seen. But hell yeah, I like it. Really, really nice. Alright guys, this thing just came in here to Leading Edge. The guy wanted to get some work done on it, and he's actually dropping it off. But I wanted to show it to you guys real quick. This thing has a nice little paint job, some US mags. Bonita, está bien bonita. And interior too. Oh yeah, I think he has some audio too, some little speakers going on. He has some little speakers. He's at about 10 speakers on this thing. This thing is nice. I like those seats. Seats are super clean. Oh yeah, I can throw a speaker down there. Double din. Oh yeah, this is nice. Nice. And the step side. Something about these step sides right here. It's clean. Nice. Makes me want to finish my 67. Hell yeah. But yeah guys, wanted to show you the little trick that came in. I think he's gonna be doing some work with lining up some of the body panels and stuff like that, so this thing is gonna be coming out pretty crisp. Yeah. Hell yeah. For sale, right? For sale?
Yes.
Everything's for sale. Here it is guys. The moldings are on there. All the moldings are on there. Bumper, rear bumper on. That badge, you know? That thing looks pretty clean. And front bumper, you know? Sick. Hell yeah. Now all I gotta do is the alignment real quick so we can get this thing on point. You know? Man, that badge looks really, really nice. But yeah guys, wasn't much to it. All you gotta do is make sure you use a heat gun to take these things off, clean the little residue of the glue, and then slap the new ones back on. But as you guys seen, they do use tape. That way you can kind of line them up a little bit. But there it is. That, I don't know, something about that emblem right there. It's looking really clean. But yeah guys, ahí está. Mamalona. Sheesh. Quick little alignment. And that should be good to go. Guys, that is it. We got the moldings on there. We got the alignment done, as you guys can see. Check it out. Driving straight. This thing is driving good. We got the new moldings on there. We got the new emblem. Huge shout out again to MVP OBS Moldings. We're gonna put his Instagram right here if you guys want to get the same moldings. Let him know you guys seen it on the YouTube channel. Let him know you guys seen it on the Trokiando Instagram, and he'll take care of you guys. He can ship anywhere, so hit him up. And he's got different colors available as well. So hit him up and he'll take care of you guys. Now these things came out good. We went with the all black and the original or the OEM color emblems just to kind of match the front grille because it already has that emblem as well. So this thing came out pretty good. I'm excited with it. And we're waiting to see. By the time you guys are watching this video, it's probably going to be Thursday already, and we're going to be going live later today. So if you guys do not want to miss out to see who's going to take this truck, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And stay tuned. If you guys entered, we'll see who's gonna take it home, either the truck or the $20,000. I'm excited to see where it's gonna go. So again, by the time you guys are watching this, today's Wednesday, we're uploading this thing tomorrow. So by the time you guys are watching this, it's gonna be Thursday, and later today at 7 p.m. Central Time is when we're gonna be going live and choosing the winner. So hit that subscribe, stay tuned, turn on the bell notifications, and if you entered, good luck to all of you guys. Do not forget, the SS Clone 1 month giveaway is still up for grabs, and you guys can get entered on that one by purchasing the Halloween drip. And that's the only thing that gets you entered for that truck. Halloween shirt, Halloween hoodie, or the decals, and that gets you entered. October 31st is the last day to enter TKO G7, which is the SS Clone giveaway. So good luck to everyone that entered on those, and we'll see who's going to be taking this truck later tonight. So we'll see you guys then, and let me know what you guys think about the new OBS Moldings. Nos vemos, raza. Saludos.